So when we travel, we all miss things from home. One of the things we miss are English fish and chips. They're on their way, we can't wait to get tucked in. We're without a car at the moment. Our car's had some mechanical issues, so we've ordered for delivery. So, fish and chips, tartar sauce and mushy peas. Of a place called the Chippy.
Very excited to try these fish and chips. They're hot, they smell so good. It's literally like being at home. Can't wait to try these. Oh, we've got an exploded vinegar. Tartar sauce. Some mushy peas. Oh, look at them. Oh yeah, those chips look so good. Let's try one of these. If I shut my eyes, I could almost be at home eating those.
Let's try these chips. I'm gonna go in for some of this batter. Oh, good more.
We went for the white fish and chips. It doesn't give you a description of what fish it is. It's nice, it's flaky, it's a bit of a funny texture. It's a bit jelly, even though it is cooked. But it's got a nice flavour to it. The batter is a little bit soggy on them, but that might be because we've had them delivered and we've not picked them up as they've come out fresh from the fryer. But in all honesty, shut your eyes, we're a pretty good representation of fish and chips. No complaints from me.
Let's try some of these mushy peas. A little bit of a strange consistency. Well, let's try. They're almost mushy peas, as you would expect in the UK. A little, very pea flavoured, if that makes sense. Mushy peas don't really taste of peas, but these taste of peas. As Lucy said, the batter's soggy. The fish is a funny texture. I think it's Pangaeus, the fish. We've had it before here, and it was the same texture. Still flaky, but it's a little rubbery jelly type, eating jello. I'll see what this tartar sauce tastes like. Tastes nothing like tartar sauce, to be honest with you. It's mayonnaise with some green bits in it. Definitely not tartar sauce as you would expect.
defeated, and that doesn't happen very often. They were big portions, I thought. I've still got a whole piece of fish left. So, I'm going to save that and probably eat it later. Definitely, I thought they were good value for money. So they were 76 reals for both, which is about £16, roughly. So, maybe a little bit more expensive than they are in the UK. Maybe not if you go to the seaside or to the coast, but they were a good effort. I enjoyed those. Maybe we'll try the cod next time and see what that was like. They were a little bit more expensive at £11 each, but the fish might be better than this was. Worthwhile ordering, would definitely say to any people from the UK living out here in Qatar to definitely give the chippy a try. Gets my thumbs up.
So my opinion from my side, if you're missing fish and chips, you're from the UK, get some fish and chips. But get some cod and chips, and also go and pick it up and eat it there, because 20 minutes delivery, I think it's made the batter soggy, the chips a little bit dry and soggy. But all in all, for the price, you can't go wrong. Lucy's just said off camera that they were okay. I think that's a good description. They were okay, not fantastic, but you know. There's another fish and chip place that someone has told us about, the Frying Scotsman. I think it's in the Radisson Hotel, so I think we're going to try that next time. We'll leave a link somewhere for it. Check that out. So if you like the channel, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Keep your eye out for more videos in the future, and we'll see you in the next one.